Hello, investors. If you've been paying attention to quantum computing related stocks in the last 2 to 3 months, you know that most of the stocks have been going up over 100%. Everyone was talking about them, but now in the new year in 2025, the market started to pull back. And these quantum stocks, they're just getting pummeled. So I want to take a look at just three of them today very quickly and remind you folks like, hey, it's always better to look for fundamentally strong companies. We know that this segment was just hyped up, and we need to remind ourselves, what is a strong organization? Now, when I look at things like, we're going to look at IonQ, we're going to look at RGTI and QBTS. It's really, you could just jump right to the organization size and you get a quick feel of like, okay, what am I getting myself into, right? For an organization to like really be enduring and last for a long time, it needs a solid amount of human capital. So these entities, I mean, this is IonQ right here. We scroll down, we look at it. They had 324 employees, and my gosh, they were trading at up over 186 price of sales. Now it was higher when the price was higher, but this was just out of control valuation for a very little entity over here, with just 300 people. If you look at RGTI, similar over here. This thing was at $20, now it's down to $10. Well, you go back down, there's only 134 people here. This thing also trading at 182 times price of sales. Incredibly high, right? And then last but not least, QBTS, this one was at $11. It dropped down to like as low as $4 or $5 over here. Well, similar here, 200 employees, right? And trading at 164, 65 times price to sales. So as you can see, to begin with, these companies weren't really stable, but investors were buying into this. And so, now with the correction, I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on, well, what's next?